Today we're learning how to build free n8n automations with render. I saw a tutorial online that it says free n8n automations, and I'm like, wow, great, that's for me. I can save some money here. Since I'm using the cloud version, I'm paying like, I think $25 per month. Let's see how I can do this for free. n8n Cloud and self-hosted version are the same software. The difference is who runs the server. With n8n Cloud, n8n runs everything for you. With the self-hosted version, it's like you're renting your own little computer in the cloud. So today we're gonna explore self-hosting n8n instance via render. But there is a small catch there. Let's go and find out how. First, let's go to render and create our free account. You can sign up. I'm doing this for the first time as well. I'll just go through Google and okay, we're in render. We're gonna go to web services and create a new web service. Here, what we're gonna do is click on existing image. We're telling render, pull this Docker image from Docker Hub. And what is Docker image? That sounds complicated. We want to run our own n8n instance on render, on a free render container. And render is using Docker image. The best part about this is it's absolutely free, and we can build many workflows and automations and learn how to use n8n for free. In Docker, it's like a shipping container for software. Basically, what Docker does is packages the app and provides everything you need in a single place. So let's click existing image. And here we're gonna enter this URL, copy exactly what I have provided, paste the exact same link as you see in the screen. I will share the link below in the description and press connect. Here you will give a name, unique name for your web service. Let's just call it n8 by S. The region, choose something closer to you. I'll just leave it like this and choose the free. Here, when you choose the free, you can see that free instances spin down after periods of inactivity. What is it for this way if you're self-hosting via Docker, via render? The catch here is that you can create as many automations free, absolutely for free, that you would like. But the catch is that after 15 minutes of inactivity, they just stop working. So you won't have automations working 24/7. This way, it's best to learn how to build automations and workflows because you can build unlimited numbers. But it's not good if you want to set up automations for your business and if you're serious about building for other clients. That's why this is just great for beginners who are first learning, and it's absolutely free. So let's move on. Environment variables, enter port, and value is 5678. One important step is that I found out is I didn't choose the free plan. Go ahead and choose the starter plan, because once you add your port and number 5678, you're gonna come here and press advanced, and you're gonna add disk/home/node and choose 1 GB before you deploying. This is important for your automations if you want to build many workflows. Then press deploy web service. I'll grab the owner account. This should take a minute. Now here you can just fill out this service real quick. I just choose randomly. Okay, and skip. And wow, voila! Now you can go get started, and here are the first step. Trigger manually, or just let's do schedule trigger. We can't really do this because but here what you can do, okay, is start building your workflows. And that's it. You just build your own free n8n server. How amazing is this? And now you can start building automations and learning how n8n works and help you automate everything in your life. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope this free setup is helpful for you and you will learn quickly how to build automation.